If you're seeing Gmail error code 401, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two quick fixes that can solve the problem in just a few minutes. This issue is often caused by corrupted browser data or even a browser extension conflict, so we'll test both of those step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common fix, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser, then click the three-dot menu in the top corner. From there, look for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. When the window opens, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time to make sure everything related to the error gets removed. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. After the browser finishes clearing everything, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail again by going to mail.google.com. In many cases, that alone will fix Gmail error code 401 because it removes damaged or outdated session data that may be blocking access. If the error still appears, the next thing to try is opening Gmail in an incognito or private window. This is a very useful test because it disables most extensions and uses a fresh browsing session. To do that, click the three-dot menu again and choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on your browser. Once the private window opens, type in mail.google.com and load Gmail there. If Gmail works fine in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the conflict. In that case, you can go back to your normal browser window and start disabling extensions one by one until you find the one that is interfering with Gmail. If Gmail still does not work even in incognito mode, then the issue is likely related to browser data, account session problems, or something on the Google side that may need a little more troubleshooting. But in most cases, clearing cache and cookies or using an incognito window is enough to get Gmail working again. So to recap, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then test Gmail in an incognito or private window to check for extension conflicts. These two fixes solve a lot of Gmail login and loading issues very quickly. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.